welcome back to my channel, naturallyfabme. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a perm rod set using the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass styling mousse. So if you're interested in seeing how I style my hair with this mousse, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the mousse. And it's just like a regular mousse, you know, lightweight. And I'm going to smell it. Oops. But it does smell like lemons. So it has a really good zesty lemon smell. Not too strong and not too soft. Just right. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all the way down my hair from root to tip. And then I'm going to also apply some gel at the end. And it's the Alikay Naturals Curling Delight Creme Brulee gel. And I'm going to go ahead and smooth that out with my Denman brush. Now, as always, usually with my perm rod sets, I go ahead and twist about 1/4 down to get some definition at the root. And then I'm going to take a rather large perm rod set because it's in the front. I'm going to use a larger perm rod, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that at the tip. Now, the key to good perm rod sets are smooth ends. So I'm making sure that the end is very, very smooth. And I'm going to roll it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to do like a little swivel around it and hold it at the root so it could be nice and secure. And then I'm going to snap it. Alright, and just to recap, I'm just going to go over the steps again. So again, I first take the mousse and smooth it all the way down from root to tip. I then take the gel and I apply it at the ends to make sure my ends are nice and smooth. I smooth it out with my Denman brush. I go ahead and twist about 1/4 down, and then I take the perm rod and roll it on up. Now guys, I have been getting so much better with this, so it did not take me a very long time. It took about 30 minutes to go ahead and get my whole head rolled up. So I went on the Alikay Naturals website and I wanted to see the claims of the product, and basically it said that this product will condition your hair while adding a light flexible hold to your curls, and it will be very shiny and makes your hair feel silky. So we're gonna see, and I'm gonna let y'all be the judge, but this is my hair all rolled up. This is one side, and then I'm gonna show you the other side. So I let my curls air dry overnight, and then in the morning I went ahead and sat under the dryer because I wanted to make sure they were all dry. And fingers crossed that they are dry, because nothing is worse than a fail of a perm rod set, and usually it fails because they are not dry. So let's go ahead and check them out, and immediately I see how bouncy they are, and I also see how shiny it is. So far so good. As you can see, I had 3 different size perm rods. What I did was I focused the smaller ones around the perimeter, and the purple ones, which were the medium ones, I focused those more in the middle, and then the larger ones, which were the like cream color, I basically focused those in the front because I wanted my front curls to be a little bit more bigger. Alright, so I'm going to take some oil and I'm going to coat my fingertips so that way when I separate my curls they won't get too frizzy. And I'm going to just separate them when I twist it. I'm going to just untwist, and then I'm going to separate them even more by taking each curl and just separating them into tiny small sections and kind of just retwisting or recurling on my around my finger. And I'm going to do this really, really gentle. Alright, so now I'm going to just pick them out. I think the bigger the hair, the better. So I'm going to just pick at the root just to give it some more volume. But I really do like the way my curls came out. They're very shiny and bouncy. So as far as Alikay Naturals product claims and the results, I think they go one in one, hand in hand. I really, really do love the results, y'all. Comment down below and tell me what you think. I am loving it. I wanted to do something different, so I did keep a hair diary of how long this perm rod set lasted. To me, that's the biggest thing for them to last. So this is day 2 hair, and I think it's pretty decent. Usually my hair is a flop after day 1, so day 2, I mean, it looks real good to me. Let me know what you think. Now, I did notice a little bit of frizz, and you know, they're just a little unraveled, but I think they came out real good. Alright guys, so this is the end of day 3 hair, and I did get caught in the rain, but my edges are a little unkept. It is a little frizzy, but to say the least, I think it lasted a complete 3 days, which is very, very good for me. Usually, like I said, ends day 1. So I really did enjoy using this product. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Of course, I'll leave all the products I use in the description box. I really enjoyed doing this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. And also, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.